Let's talk about powers of 10. So what do we mean by powers of 10? The numbers of the type 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on can be represented in their exponential notations of as the powers of 10. So what would that mean? We can represent 10 as 10 raised to power 1, 10, 100 as 10 raised to power 2, then 1000 as 10 raised to power 3 and so on. Similarly, the decimal numbers of the type 0.1, 0.01, 0.001 and so on can also be represented in their exponential notations with negative exponents in this case, and they can be represented as powers of 10 like 10 raised to power minus 1, 10 raised to power minus 2, 10 raised to power minus 3 and so on. Writing numbers like the speed of light which is given by this value becomes much easier when we write them as 3 into 10 raised to power 8 meter per second, and that is where powers of 10 are used widely throughout, not just in science, not just in maths, in general in daily life we use this very commonly. Now let's see what do we mean by scientific notation. Scientific notation of a number means a number which is written between 1 to 10 and that is multiplied with some power of 10. What do we mean by that? We are saying scientific notation is A multiplied by 10 raised to the power B, where this A is between 1 to 10. So any number represented in this form is called the scientific notation or the standard form of the number. So the powers of 10 that we just talked about, they're very useful in writing the numbers in their scientific notation. So as we just discussed, the first part is a number where the decimal. Now the first part, when we say that it is a number between 1 to 10, it's a decimal. It could be a decimal number. So where decimal is placed after the first digit from the left and the remaining digits are present after the decimal. So we are saying if we have a number 2860, we make this number in the form of A into 10 raised to power B, means A has to be between 1 to 10. So we make this as 2.86. And then second part, which is 10 raised to power B, so B will be evaluated such that it puts the decimal point where it should be. So 2860 gets written as 2.86 into 10 raised to power 3. This is the scientific notation or the standard form of a number. This is specifically useful again for very large or very small numbers. Say for example, again, taking another example, we have 667 and 4 zeros. This kind of a number will be written as 6.67. As we said, this A has to be between 1 to 10. So we put the decimal place after the first digit. So we make it 6.67 into 10 raised to power B, where B is going to be a number which will put the decimal point according to the actual number. So we make it 10 raised to power 6. And if a number is a very small number of the type 0.0000458, again we write the number as 4.58, which is the definition of A, and then 10 raised to power minus 5. Friends, I hope you enjoyed the session. If you find it useful, please like it and share it with your friends. You can visit us at our Cool Smart Learning website and post your queries there. And please subscribe to the Cool Smart Learning channel for getting updates on the new sessions. Thank you.